Want to complete your KYC on Koinpark as an Indian user? Open the Koinpark app and tap on the Home menu. Click on the KYC verification button that's labeled as Unverified. Enter your Aadhaar number and click Submit. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhar-linked mobile number. Enter that OTP and click Submit. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation that your Aadhaar has been successfully verified. Now, enter your PAN number and click Submit. You'll now see a message confirming that your PAN has been verified successfully. Next, click on the Start Verification Call button. A gentle reminder will appear. Your meeting is scheduled. Please be on time. Make sure you have your Aadhaar card and PAN card ready. Then, click on the Join Now button to begin the verification call. Allow permissions for video recording, audio, photo capture, and location access when prompted. Once connected, you'll see a message saying, Agent Joined. During the verification call, clearly show the front and back of your Aadhaar card to the agent. After that, show your PAN card to complete the KYC verification. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation that your KYC verification is successful.